called Black Range Hills right now. This one is called the Big Hill. And if you all look to the front windshield, now look to the back one. The difference there is 3 stories. This is the only part of your trip today that is visible from Colorado Street. It's dated to be over 1,000 years old. The bristlecone pine trees are the oldest trees in the world. Those are located in California. They have been dated to be about 5,000 years old there, and the oldest one is called Methuselah. It has swirly branches on the top. And it'll be coming up shortly on your 3-seat side.